Dataset where we classify messages as spam or not spam. Here S is a spam and N is not spam. We are given features like suspicious words, money keywords, sender known, and attachment. So, and our target variable is spam or not spam. Our goal is to build a decision tree using ID3, and ID3 works on one main important concept, that is information gain. So let's quickly understand the flow we will follow. First, calculate the entropy of the data set and then calculate the entropy after split for each feature, right? For each feature, we have to find the entropy. Then find the information gain, which is most important. Then choose feature with highest information gain. That will give you the best feature. Then build a tree using it, right? As you can see, this is our flow for solving decision tree. So as you can see here, first we will calculate the entropy of the data set. The total number of samples are 10, and here we have spams as 5 and not spam as 5. Entropy we'll be finding. So this is a formula that we use to find the entropy. We'll be taking spam and also not spam. So they are 5 and 5. So we'll be taking this way. Total there are 10. So 5 upon 10. We'll be substituting the values inside the formula and we'll be getting the entropy. Here log 0.5 is minus 1. Log 0.5 to the base 2 is minus 1. We got entropy as 1. This means the data set is completely mixed. So step 2 is to find for all the features, which is very important. Okay. And now we get to do is not guess the best feature. We'll calculate the information gain for each feature. Like we can't directly decide what is the best feature out of 4, right? So we'll be going with the money keywords first. So let's split on based on the money keywords. Like we have 1 and also 0. Like it is spam and also not spam, right? Money is equals to 1, all are spam. Like so entropy is equals to 0, which is pure. Okay, pure node. And money is equals to 0. These are the IDs. Like as you can see, when I say IDs, we are considering ID number 2, for example. 2. In the money keywords, 2 is like 0. Right, we are considering money is equals to 0. So when I say ID number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, those are all the IDs where the money keywords has become 0. That means they become not spam. The case when they become not spam, like for example 2. In 2 it is 0. That means it is N. N means not spam. Again 4. In ID number 4 also it is 0. Not spam. Like that we'll be considering a split, which is case 1 and also 0. So in the same way we'll be finding the weighted entropy. So weighted entropy we got again 0. Information gain will be 1 minus 0, that is 1. Ig is equals to 1, information gain is 1. This is the maximum possible value. But we'll be checking for the other features also. Feature number 2, that is sender known. For sender known, again we'll be splitting it into sender 0, sender when becomes 1, that is spam and not spam. So when these are all the IDs where it became as spam, so all are spam, then again entropy becomes 0. Then here all are not spam, again entropy becomes 0. Here the total Ig becomes 1. So basically this also gave us the perfect split. Let's go another feature. Now let's look at the attachment feature. Attachment when it is not spam and when it is spam, it gave us 3 as spam. The IDs when we split these IDs, it gave us 3 as spam and 2 as not spam. That means there is a mixed thing. When we get mixed thing, when we get to calculate, we got 0.9. So this is very low information gain. That means like if we do information gain, we got 0.029, which is very low. Coming to the feature 4, which is suspicious words. Here it is continuous. Like we try to split, but both sides are mixed. Like there are 3 spams and 3 not spam. So entropy became 1. Here also again equal. if we try to split less than or equal to 5 and greater than 5 other wise, even though we are getting like this. So ig becomes 0 when they are both equal, 1 minus 1, like the difference becomes 0. So final comparison, we get to know that money is having 1 as the information gain. It is having 5 samples as spam and 5 other samples as not spam. So here we have both money and sender, which are giving ig as 1. We can choose any one of them. I have chosen money keywords, so we can split it like this. This is the tree that we got. We can draw in this way, like spam and not spam. Here we got the 5 samples, and here also we got another 5 samples. If money is equals to 1, it is always spam. If money is equals to 0, it is always not a spam. Okay, this is perfect data set. That is why only one split is enough, no further branching is needed. Yes, and leaf nodes are like money is equals to 1, that is spam, and money is equals to 0, that is not a spam. For decision trees are most important because easy to understand, no complex maths during prediction, can handle the real world decisions like loan approval, spam detection, and always. So the most important thing is you have to calculate the entropy of this. Firstly, as we have seen here, we have to calculate entropy, then we have to calculate the information gain of it, then compare with all the features. So you should not just stop here, you should go further with all the other features also, then choose wisely which is the best one. So if you understood this, thank you.